In a recent press briefing, the Indian Air Force DGMO made a carefully worded statement that's raising eyebrows across defense and geopolitical circles. When asked directly whether any Rafale jets were lost in combat, the DGMO responded, "In combat, you take losses. But we achieved our objectives." While not a direct admission, the lack of a clear denial has fueled speculation that India may have suffered unacknowledged setbacks, possibly involving the highly prized Rafale jets. The statement, though subtle, seems to suggest that not everything went as smoothly as portrayed, leaving room for deeper scrutiny. Adding to the intrigue are the market signals. The reports of stock market reactions align with the narrative of a perceived victory for the J-10C and a setback for the Rafale. Several sources indicate a drop in the share price at Dassault Aviation following reports of Rafale losses. This could reflect investor concerns about the aircraft's combat performance and its potential impact on future export orders. Conversely, reports suggest a notable surge in the stock price of Chengdu Aircraft Corporation, CAC, the manufacturer of the J-10C and JF-17 fighter jets used by Pakistan. This rise in investor confidence could be seen as a form of market validation for the J-10C's capabilities, especially if it's perceived to have bested a Western-designed aircraft in actual combat conditions. The 5 aircraft said to have been shot down consisted of 3 Rafales and 2 Russian-designed fighter aircraft, a MiG-29 and a Su-30, per reports citing Pakistan's military. While official confirmation from the Indian Air Force regarding the loss of aircraft is still awaited, multiple reputable sources now cite US officials and French intelligence as confirming at least one instance of a Rafale being downed by Pakistan. Reuters specifically quoted US officials stating that Chinese-made J-10C aircraft were used to launch the air-to-air missiles responsible for these shoot-downs. A French intelligence official also confirmed the loss to CNN. This development would mark the first known combat loss of the highly regarded Rafale, an aircraft lauded for its advanced multi-role capabilities and sophisticated technology. Such a loss, particularly at the hands of a Chinese-origin fighter, could raise questions about its invincibility and battlefield effectiveness in real-world scenarios. Some nations in the region, traditionally reliant on Western or Russian aircraft, are now reportedly re-evaluating their options in light of the J-10C's performance. The combination of advanced capabilities and potential cost-effectiveness makes the Chinese fighter a compelling alternative for modernizing their air forces and diversifying their defense partners. A confirmed combat success for the J-10C would serve as a significant boost for China's arms export industry, potentially opening up new markets and strengthening its position as a major global arms supplier.